Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to remove your Google account from other devices and take back control over your digital security. To get started, head over to your phone settings and navigate to Google. Choose the Google account you want to manage, then click on Manage your Google account. Next, go to the Security section and click on Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices you're currently logged into. You can manage all devices, remove specific sessions, or get information on when and where each device was last used. Alternatively, you can also access this feature through your Gmail account. Simply click on your Gmail account, then select Google account. This will take you to the same page where you can manage your security and privacy. Once you're there, navigate to the Devices section, click on Manage all devices, and remove any devices you no longer want to be logged into. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can remove your Google account from other devices and ensure your personal information is secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.